So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on Typeform submission using WaBot. Now let's say I have created a feedback form using Typeform. Now I want that whenever I receive some feedback, a new form submission in that Typeform, I want to send a thank you message to the same person who has shared their feedback using that online form. And to send the messages, I want to use WaBots. Now, the manual process of sending the WhatsApp message is very much repetitive and time consuming. So why don't we automate it? So we are going to set up a simple automation using which, as we receive a new form submission in Typeform, automatically we are going to send a WhatsApp message using WaBots to the same person who made the form submission. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is a customer feedback form which I have created using Typeform. Now I want that whenever a customer is going to share their feedback using this form, whenever they're going to make a form submission in this Typeform, I want to send them a WhatsApp message that I have successfully received their feedback and we will work on it using WaBots. Now to do this, what we have to do, we have to connect our Typeform account with WaBots. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and we will reach to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. As we click on Access Now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard over here. And we have to create an automation workflow. Just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Typeform to WaBots. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and then just click on Create. Now as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Typeform account, the form which we have created in Typeform with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, a new feedback from the customer using this form, the same responses are also received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using the same Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the person who made the form submission, the form responses to WaBots, and using WaBots, we are going to send them a thank you message on WhatsApp as well for their feedback. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger step, search for Typeform and just select it. After selecting Typeform in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new entry beta. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Typeform account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Typeform button. Then after that, here in this pop-up window, just scroll down and click on this Accept button. And as we click on Accept, we will see our Typeform account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it is asking us for the form. So all the forms which we have created in our Typeform account will be listed below in this drop-down. Right now, in my Typeform account, I have created only one form named as Customer Feedback Form. That's why in this drop-down, you can see only one option. So the responses of which particular form you want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, for which form you want to set up this automation, we have to select that. So we are going to select this particular form over here. And after that, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new form submission from this Typeform. So let's do it. I'll just go to the share section over here and I'm going to open this form in a new tab and make a dummy form submission. Let me just copy the link, paste it in a new tab, and after that, here we are going to enter the details. Let's see, the name of the person who is making the form submission is test user. This is the email address. Then after that, here we have to enter the mobile number. and whatever mobile number the person is going to enter over here, on the same number, we are going to send the WhatsApp message. So I will be entering just a dummy number over here. Now, after entering the number, let me just search for the country as well. For example, we are going to select India over here. The country is India. And after entering the country and everything, just click on OK. Then it is asking us for the feedback. So let me enter a feedback as, for example, we are setting up this automation. We are setting up this automation. This is the feedback comment I'm adding for now, just a dummy comment. Then it is asking us for the rating. Let's say I want to rate it as 8 and let's click on OK. At last, it is asking us for the country. So I'm going to search for India and select it. After entering all the details, let's click on submit, and just now we have received a new form submission in Typeform. So we made a form submission in Typeform, and because we have connected this form with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received a response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same form submission. Here we have the same name, test user, we have the same email address, mobile number, we have the same feedback as well. We are setting up this automation. We have the same star rating and the rest of the details as well. We'll scroll down further and you will see all the other details too. So in this way, all the details of this form submission, all the responses of form submission are received inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, what we want to do, using WaBots, we want to send a WhatsApp message on the same number which we have received from this Typeform submission. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, we will search for WaBots and select it. After selecting WaBots, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Custom API Request. So we have to select this particular action event. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our WaBots account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our WaBot account. Now, before we connect our WaBots account with Pabbly Connect, let me tell you that first we have to basically create a WhatsApp Cloud API account on Facebook or on our Facebook profile, and we have to connect that WhatsApp Cloud API account with WaBots. And after making that connection, we will be connecting our WaBots account with Pabbly Connect using this API key. Now you must be thinking how you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account inside WaBots. So let me tell you, for that, just go to your WaBots account and then go to this connected account section. After coming here you can see it is asking us two things, access token and business account ID. So from your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you have to enter both of these details. So I'll just go to my Cloud API account over here, and this is my account, and here we are in the API setup section. On the API setup section, here you can see the business account ID. Just copy the business account ID from here, go to WaBots and paste it over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the access token. Now the access token which we get on this API setup window is a temporary access token, which means this access token will expire every 24 hours. But don't worry, there is a way using which you can generate a permanent access token of your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And we have created a dedicated video on that too as well. So you will get the link of that particular video in the description box below. You can refer to that video and learn how to set up or how to get the permanent access token of your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Right now, just for explanation, I will be using this temporary access token. I'll just copy it from here and then paste it over here. Now, if you have any kind of doubts while creating the WhatsApp Cloud API account, or if you haven't created your WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, then let me tell you, we have a dedicated video on WhatsApp Cloud API setup too. And you will get the link of that video in the description box below as well. So you can just refer to those videos to set up your Cloud API account and also to get the permanent access token of WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, after entering both of these details over here, what we have to do, we get this webhook callback URL and verify token. We have to add both of these things in our Cloud API account. So we will just copy this webhook callback URL from here, go to our WhatsApp Cloud API account, we'll scroll down, and here in step 3, we have configure webhook to receive message, this section. Click on this configure webhooks button. After clicking on it, here it will take us to this webhook configuration page. Click on this edit button over here, just clear the existing response, and here in callback URL, we have to enter the exact same webhook callback URL which WaBots gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. Then after that, in verify token, we have to enter this exact same verify token which we have over here. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. And after entering these details, click on this verify and save button. After clicking on verify and save, just come to this webhook field, click on this manage button, and here you can see a list of different fields, different events. Out of all of them, we have this event called messages. So we have to go to this field or event of messages, and we have to select this option over here. Just turn this option. We have to select this option, check this option over here. And after selecting this option over here, just click on done. So in this way, what we have done, we have added the callback URL and verify token from WaBots in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. And we have added this callback URL and verify token for this webhook field of messages. So in this way, whatever messages we are going to receive on WhatsApp Cloud API, the same messages will be sent to WaBots as well. Now, after doing this, after entering your business account ID, token, and adding the callback URL and verify token in our Cloud API account, just click on Connect. And as you click on Connect, here you will see our WhatsApp Cloud API account will get connected with WaBots. So here, after making the connection, we will just scroll down, and then here you can see after scrolling down, this is my business account ID. The account is connected. So I'll just copy this business account ID from here, go to Cloud API account, and then go to API setup window. And after coming to this API setup window, I'll just search for the same business account ID, and here you can see we have the same business account ID. The same account is connected with WaBots. After making this connection, what we have to do, we are just going to connect our WaBots account with Pabbly Connect. So first, we have to connect our Cloud API account inside WaBots. And after connecting our Cloud API account with WaBots, we have to connect WaBots with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, Pabbly Connect was asking us the API key. So we will just go to a WaBots account. On the top right corner, just click here and click on API Developer. And here you can see the API key of your WaBots account. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect's connection window and paste it over here. And then just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our WaBots account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, after making this connection, we have to basically set up this API configuration, this custom API request which we want to fire. But let me tell you, you don't have to manually set up this complete step. In our WaBots account, we will get the curl URL, the curl request, and then using that same curl request, we are going to automatically set up this custom API request. Now, we all know to send WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API or WaBots, first we have to create the template of the messages. Now, to create those templates from the left sidebar, I will just go to this WhatsApp bot manager section, and after coming to this section, here we are going to select the same account. So my account, this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account over here. This is the same number. And after that, we will scroll down and go to this message template section. After coming to message template section, here you can see a list of all the message templates which I have created in my WhatsApp Cloud API account and synced with WaBots. Now, if you don't see these templates over here, just click on this sync template button and all of these templates will be shown. And after that, here I have also created a template named as feedback response. So this is the template of the WhatsApp message which I want to send on Typeform submission. Let me show that to you. Just click on this view button and this is the WhatsApp message. Hello, thank you for submitting your feedback. We appreciate your input and will use it to improve our services. If you have any additional comments or questions, feel free to reply to this message. Best regards, XYZ company. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to the people who make the form submission in Typeforms. So I've created a template for the same message over here, and then we got that template approved over here. Here you can see we have this template approved. Now, after creating the template and getting it approved, what we have to do? Now, after creating this template and getting it approved over here, as you can see the status is approved. Once again, we'll just click on this profile option, go to API developers, and after coming to API developers, we will scroll down. After scrolling down, here you can see the section of generate API endpoint. And here in WhatsApp account, in this dropdown, you can see all the WhatsApp Cloud API accounts which you have connected with your WaBots account can be shown. Out of all of this, select your WhatsApp Cloud API account which you want to use over here, in which you have created this template. And then after that, here you can see all the approved templates from your WaBots account will be shown over here. So this is the only template message which I have created in my WaBots account. And also this template message has the status of approved. This template is approved over here. So what I can do, I can use this template message to send the WhatsApp message over here. I can use this template to send the WhatsApp message. So just select the template which you have approved, which you want to send over here. And after selecting the template, here you can see in this window, you will get the API endpoint, you will get the get request example and the post request example. Now, out of all of this, what you have to do? You have to just copy this get request example from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and here in this WaBots action step in the action event of custom API request, just click on these three dots and we have this option of import code. just select this option of import curl. After that, here in this window, just paste the exact same URL which we have copied just now and click on this import curl button. Now as we click on import curl, here you can see all the configurations are done. This action step configuration, API request configurations are done. We have the request method automatically selected. We have the API endpoint URL over here. Then after that, we have the payload type as JSON, and we don't want to wrap our request in array, so we have selected no by default over here. Then here you can see all the parameters which we have are automatically added. We have the API token automatically added, phone number ID, template ID, and here we have to enter, we just have to enter the phone number, the mobile number of the person to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. So here what we have to do, we have received the mobile number of the person, phone number of the person from Typeform in the trigger step responses. So here from this trigger step response of Typeform, we are going to map this response of mobile number to this WaBots action step in this parameter of phone number. And the process of mapping is very simple. We'll just click on this field of value over here in front of phone number, clear this default response, and here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Typeform of a new form submission. Out of all of this, just select this response of mobile number and it will be mapped. Now after mapping the mobile number over here, what we have to do, we just have to click on this save and send test request button. But as you can see, this mobile number which we have added over here, the mobile number which we have entered while making the form submission was a test mobile number, was a dummy mobile number. So what I have done, I have opened my WhatsApp web account in a new tab over here. So I will just enter the mobile number of this WhatsApp account just for testing this automation. So I'll just clear this map data and enter my own mobile number. So we are doing this just to test this automation, but you have to map the mobile number from Typeform responses over here. And now let me click on this save and send test request button. Now as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received the response, and this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with the same template which we have created in a WaBots account is sent to the person to the same mobile number which we have entered. So let's check it. We will just go to the WhatsApp account, and yes, here you can see on our WhatsApp account we have received this message, and this is the exact same template message which we have created in WaBots. This means the automation workflow which we have created between Typeform and WaBots using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And after setting up this automation, what we have to do, we will just test this automation workflow once. So I will just go back to my Typeform which we have created, and then I'll just refresh this form once. And we are going to make another form submission. I'll just enter the name as demo user over here. Then after that, this is the email address. The mobile number is this, for example, just another dummy mobile number. Let me select the country as, for example, India. Here it is. Then here we are going to enter the comment as, for example, we are testing this automation in real time. So we are testing this automation in real time. This is the message I have entered. Let's click on OK. The star rating is 10. And then we are going to select the country as, for example, India once again. And click on submit. So just now what we have done, we made a form submission in Typeform. And as we make the form submission, we will see immediately, instantly from WaBots, a WhatsApp message is sent to the same number which the user has entered while making the form submission. So because in our workflow, we have replaced it with our number for the testing purpose. So here you can see on the same number, we have received the WhatsApp message, and this is the same template message which we have created in WaBots. So in this way, you can see using this automation, just by receiving the Typeform responses, using WaBots and this automation, you can automatically instantly send a WhatsApp message to the person who made the form submission. Now after setting up this automation, here in this WaBots action step, what we are going to do, we'll just replace this mobile number. We'll just replace this phone number with the Typeform response mobile number and click on this save button. In this way, we made this field dynamic once again, and then whatever mobile number we are going to receive from Typeform, on the same number, we will be sending the WhatsApp message. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, You can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.